everyone, how's it going? Welcome back and thanks for joining me. I hope everyone's doing okay. I hope everyone is staying safe, staying healthy, staying indoors, and just staying away from other people. Crazy time we're living in now. I tell you, sometimes I don't even believe it's actually happening. Anywho, I wanted to show you a few things real quick. Actually, just two things. So if you saw my little 7-inch, I thought they were 6-inch, but they're actually 7-inch rounds. And I made one into a clock. So here is my turquoise round. I had a lot of people say, yeah, make one into a clock. Other people said, don't make it into a clock. Well, I had 3, so I made one into a clock. But I don't know if you can see because my big bright white lights. But down here you can see there's gold. So I got gold clock hands to match. I wonder if I could get it. No, these big bright lights have to be off in order for you to see it. But anywho, this is my clock and I think it's super cute. So this is what the back looks like and you can hang it from here. I will put my stamp and my name. I'll sign the back once I get a chance, but how cute is that? So that's the clock. And then I wanted to show you the results from my last piece, which is now dry. It still needs 2 coats of the varnish, but I love the way it dried the way you remember it, unlike my other piece. This is why I only use gallery wrap canvases. So anywho, this is how it dried and it's beautiful. And I'm really, really loving that neon pink in there. So that's dry. This will get 2 coats of the gloss varnish. It's a 12 by 16 inch piece if anyone is interested. You can purchase it by emailing me at CanellaCiraco.com. And before I forget, I'm going to be uploading a bunch of new things onto Etsy, some leftover canisters, my trinket boxes, a few of my art pieces that I haven't had a chance to put up. And stay tuned because I will probably do a sale. I don't know if maybe 10% off, 15% off. I haven't decided just yet, but stay tuned for that. And I will do my best to put my prints on Etsy and I'm going to reduce the price on those. So if you are interested in a print, you can email me ahead of time. You don't have to wait for it to go up on Etsy. I'm actually slashing the prices. I'd just like to, sell them and move along. Okay. So that's that. And then for those of you who saw my last video and saw the piece that just slid off my level 1 canvas, it's got 1 coat of varnish. I still have to do another coat, but this is how it dried. And would you believe I had like 10 people email me wanting the piece. And so this piece sold the second I released the video 2 days ago showing the piece, and it sold right away. So sorry to everyone else who wanted it and didn't get a chance to get it. I apologize. There's only one. So that is it. It's still pretty neat. It just lost its total composition. That's all. But I think it's pretty neat still. So this is off to its new home after it gets a second coat. All right. So because that one failed so badly and the composition just got ruined. The colors stayed the same. The colors are still beautiful, but the composition went like that. I am going to do it again. And this time I'm going to do it on a level 3 canvas. And it should, because usually don't have an issue, but everything should stay the same. So I'm going to give it another go. Same size canvas. It's a 16 by 20 inch canvas. I'm going to give it another go. And we'll see how this one turns out. Maybe I can make it look like that one. Who knows? I'm going to flood my canvas. I'll bring you guys down and we'll get started. Okay? Be right back. Okay, guys. I am back. I have flooded my canvas with my Dutch pour, which is the Artist Loft acrylic or flow acrylic white. As you can see, I put Dutch pour white because I've mixed it with this white, Floetrol, and paint. And if you want to know how I mix that and all my colors, check out video number 63. I will link it at the top here, and you can click on that and you can see my tutorial on how I mix those paints. All right, just gonna pop the bubbles here real quick. And while I'm doing that, I want to just say a quick thank you, a quick thank you to the following people who have graciously donated to my channel. That is Tall Oaks Soaps, Rebecca, Anne Marie, and I hope I'm saying this right, Lena. Okay, I hope I said that right. So thank you so much, everyone, for your PayPal donations. It really is greatly appreciated. Every little bit helps. So thank you very much. Okay, so I'm going to use the same colors as I did in the last piece, with the exception of adding one more color. So I'll start from the back because that is the order I want to do it in this time. I am going to change up the order a little bit. So I'm starting off with Thio Violet by Academy. So this wasn't in the mix last time. This is the ColourArte Deep Turquoise, and it's the textured bottle. Okay. And this one is the Dioxazine Purple by Golden. This is the Golden brand. And of course, my 24 karat gold by ColourArte. And then we have Berry by ColourArte. And finally, the Deep Sapphire by ColourArte. So the last time I boo-booed and I ended up with the Berry being the last color on the top. I am going to switch it up because I really want the, which was my original thought, I wanted the Deep Sapphire on the top. All right, so let's see how this will work out this time. And let's hope that this nice Thio Violet also will play nice. Yeah, all right, let's make some zigzags here and hope that this one, I'm gonna get a new paper towel because that one is just saturated with white paint. All right, don't want to get all my bottles dirty here. All right, well, it's week is over. The kids should have had March break. Not much of a March break if you ask me, but technically they should have been going back to school tomorrow, but that's not happening, and I fear that they won't go back to school at all until September. So I don't know, but we are enjoying ourselves. We're having a good time. The weather's been nice. You know, the kids are outside playing, shooting some hoops. We have a basketball net in the backyard for them. You know, they do some chalk painting or chalk on the driveway, you know, that kind of stuff. On nice sunny days, we like to keep them outside and away from their electronics as much as possible. You know, and we save those electronic days for rainy, cold days, which I think we have one coming up. So, but we're making do. But tomorrow is going to be a homework day. Tomorrow I'm going to sit down with the kids and we are going to practice some reading, spelling, writing, all that fun stuff, because if they think they're going to get a free ride and not do any more homework or schoolwork, they got another thing coming. Let me tell you. Okay, so the colors are down. Let's make sure this nozzle is attached nicely and we don't have any mishaps. All right, let's blow this out and see what happens. Alrighty. I really am happy I added this Thio Violet in here. It's gorgeous. Whoa, look at the cells happening there. And here, which I really, oh, and here too. See, as the time goes on, like I can see it's changing. The cells here have, like, wow, major cell action going on over here. So I am going to torch my white petal here and the white petal here and see what happens. And got a few white cells and just a little bit of purple there. And just a little bit over here. But there's no other white, so I don't want to torch anything else. I'm going to blow this part here because I don't like the way that looks right here. I kind of wanted to blow it over the side anyway. I really like the way that looks. And I'm going to blow a little bit here and see if I can bring some color into here. I guess I can move this because I'm not using that anymore. There we go. So brought some color there. Now if I come around over here, I want to see how this goes like a complete straight line all the way across. I want to kind of blow a little bit into the white here and see. Just so gently. You don't want to blast it. You know, just light. Ooh, look at that. Blue here and the blue here. That would be the deep turquoise. I'm really happy with this. I'm really liking the colors and I'm really loving the cells that are happening here. Beautiful. I have a lot more cells up here than I do down here, but the colors are stunning. I'm really happy with the colors. So before I forget, what you want to do when you're done is, first of all, check your sides. So as you can see here, there's white. I don't like that. You got to fix that. I hate seeing white canvas. So all you got to do is just take your finger and dab it just to get the white there. All right, because as much as the top is beautiful and important, the sides, I said it in my last video and I'm going to say it again, the sides are so important as well. And I can see here that this little edge here did not go over. And so because of that, I'm just going to give it a teeny tiny blow if I can reach, which I probably can't. And this is where everyone would probably say, get a straw. I don't want a straw. There. I just wanted to blow it over. Okay, so now what you want to do is take a popsicle stick or a stick or even use your finger. And what you want to do is just run it across the bottom and just get rid of the drips. These drips down here end up pulling your paint from the top of your canvas and they pull it down. And it will pull and pull and pull your paint and ruin your composition. So what you want to do is just run it across the bottom and then half hour later, come back to it, do it again, get rid of any new drips. See, I have canvas showing on this side as well here in the corner. And I'm just going to touch that up as well, just to get rid of the white canvas because I don't think it looks nice like that. All right. Just like that. All right. So that is the first go around with the drips. I will come back to it like half hour later and I will do it again. Oh, so pretty. Okay. I will bring you guys down for a close-up and show you guys what it looks like. Be right back. Okay guys, here is the final result. So I'm really loving the blue here. It's so pretty. Actually, I love all of it. And there's that shimmer. Shimmer, shimmer. The shimmer from the 24 karat gold. She's beautiful. I'm loving this. Look at that. And there's the cells from the torch. Let's see here. And that's gorgeous too. I love this. See how it goes pink and then that little bit of blue. Look at my nails, by the way. Oh wait, they're not so great anymore. I painted them turquoise. Not so pretty right now, but I never paint my nails. I decided to sit with Sophia one day, the other day, and we did our nails together. But anywho, look. So there it is. Look at that. That's so pretty. I love that. I love that deep turquoise, and I'm so glad I added that Thio Violet as well. So pretty. This whole corner up here is like a cluster. Is that a face? Oh my God, it's another face. Look. Eye, really long nose, and like really bad teeth. Do you see that? Look at that. Oh my God. I swear there's like a face in every painting. Every painting. Anywho. So there it is. And there's, I'm telling you, the sides are always as important as the top. Make sure your sides, so you see here, you see that? I don't like that. So what I do is I just take my finger and I dab it and I make it so that there's no lumps or bumps. I don't like it because when it dries, you will see, and see this? That's a big no-no. Total no-no. So here, I'll show you guys. What I do after is I will take this. I'm trying to watch the camera and the bottle at the same time. And I do that. And then, see, I'm doing it with the wrong finger. But I'm trying to do this with, what you do is you just dab your finger. Usually I do this with my right hand. This is my left hand, so forgive me. And just touch it, dab it, and then you have a smooth side. I'm going to fix that with my right hand, but I'm not left-handed, people. All right. So that's what I mean by fix your sides, okay? Because that will dry like that and it will show. It will show on your painting when it's dry, and you don't want that. So anywho, enough about that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, okay? Please give it a thumbs up if you like it. I would really appreciate it if you are a new watcher and you have not subscribed yet to my channel. Please hit that red subscription button. I would truly appreciate it. It would mean a lot to me, and that notification bell. And check out all the information in the description below. You can find all kinds of links and discounts to products, Amazon shops, all that stuff. And that's it, guys. And Juno's YouTube channel. Don't forget to check out my pup Juno, Juno the Husky. So that's it for now, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. And if you're interested in this piece, 16 by 20 inch, please email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. That's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Bye.